Imagine a machine that could write poetry, fall in love, or question its own existence. What if a future AI didn't just do tasks, but understood them like we do? From smart assistants that recognize your voice, to theoretical systems that could outthink humanity itself, artificial intelligence is evolving faster than most people realize. But what's the difference between the AI we use today and the kind we fear or dream about? In this video, we'll explore the two most misunderstood types of AI: general AI, human-like intelligence, and super AI, intelligence beyond us. You've heard the hype. Let's break down the reality. Before we dive in, support us by hitting like, sharing this video, and subscribing to Neuropix AI. So what exactly is general AI? General AI, also known as AGI or artificial general intelligence, is the idea of a machine that can perform any intellectual task a human can do. Unlike narrow AI, which is trained for just one task, general AI is flexible. It can reason, learn, solve unfamiliar problems, even transfer knowledge from one area to another, just like a person. If you teach it math, it could apply logic to language. If you teach it ethics, it could reason about human rights. General AI doesn't just know, it understands. Today, we don't have general AI yet, but researchers and tech leaders are racing toward it. Some say it's decades away. Others believe we might already be closer than we think. If general AI matches human intelligence, then super AI goes far beyond it. Super AI, or artificial superintelligence, refers to a hypothetical future where machines are not just as smart as us, they're smarter. A super AI could outperform humans in every field: science, creativity, decision-making, and even emotional intelligence. It could design better AI, solve climate change, rewrite economics, or, if misaligned, manipulate people, rewrite history, break systems we depend on. It wouldn't just be a tool, it would be a force capable of shaping the future of civilization. That's why experts warn, if super AI ever arrives, it could be our greatest invention, or our last. We've built machines that follow. Now we're teaching them to think. But what happens when they no longer need us? A super AI could rewrite science, law, even reality itself. It could protect us or decide we're the problem. Will the future be filled with collaboration or control? Will robots coexist with us or compete for dominance? We're not asking if AI will change the world. We're asking, will we still be in charge when it does? If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Neuropix AI. Got ideas or want us to improve something? Drop a comment. We're building this with you. See you in the next episode. And until then, stay curious.